आज्ञा पई अकाल की तबे चलायो पंथ सब सिखन को हुक्म है गुरु मान्यो ग्रंथ सब सिखन को हुक्म है गुरु मान्यो ग्रंथ।
वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह। Today we will discuss about the holiest scripture of humanity, Guru Granth Sahib Ji. The matter is taken from some universal sayings from Sri Guru Granth Sahib, authored by a renowned Sikh scholar, Dr. Swarup Singh Alag, and orator is Sukhinder Pal Singh Alag, Secretary General Alag Shabad Yag Charitable Trust, Ludhiana. Telephone number 9988400018. Guru Granth Sahib, the holiest scripture of humanity, conveys the message of love, amity, peace, friendship, and cooperation under the patronage of welfare unto all, and covers every aspect of life through its blessings, preachings, and teachings. It is a mighty treasure trove of universal values enshrined in eternal hymns. It carries the holy hymns of 36 pious persons hailing from different parts of India, possessing different religions and beliefs. Their universal message and spiritual heights appeal to all the devotees. Sri Guru Granth Sahib, comprising 5,872 slokas in 31 ragas, lights up the minds, enlarges our imagination, and provides a solid base for scholarship and enlightened education. And by the study of these spiritual hymns, the nerves are soothed with soulful comfort. The hymns are so rich spiritually, socially, culturally, and poetically that these take the seeker away from the realm of hatred, fanaticism, duality, and also from irrational impulses. The Gurbani contained in the Holy Granth promotes general welfare through love and selfless devotional service to humanity. The spiritually rich Bani also addresses family concerns, dispels suspicions, doubts, alienation, and develops unity and common betterment. A lover of Gurbani automatically learns self-realization, self-introspection, and self-discipline, and urges to live nicely, expressing right behavior in variety of ways. Gurbani also lays emphasis to strengthen the moral consciousness and holiness of heart so that a man of Gurbani becomes pious and virtuous on all counts. The vision of cosmic order and attainment of philanthropic living in a spirit of deep, unbounded humility and compassion for humanity are the guiding forces expressed in Gurbani to highlight the feelings of fraternity and universal oneness in the world habitat. Empty rituals and barren austerities are negated in Sikh way of life because these take the votary away from loving devotion and humanitarianism. Gurbani's philosophy, on the other hand, aspires everyone to value truth, respect ethical setup, enjoy classless society, and achieve spiritual blissfulness through recitation of holy name or meditation without ignoring one's household duties and losing earthly touch. Gurbani advocates Jivan Mukta, way of life, which means to attain salvation or liberation while alive. To gain such state of mind, of course one has to cast off his pride, attachment, and other avarices and engage himself in contemplating and performing good acts. Every verse of every hymn enshrines the faculties of heart mind, body, and soul, and also enlightens the seeker to achieve the highest glory to live pious and admirable life. In short, Sri Guru Granth Sahib conveys the divinely blessed knowledge to the common masses in the common parlance and also in common language, Punjabi, so that the spiritual consciousness could grow among the Oriental natives devoid of God realization because of their destitution. Being in native language, the Gurbani enshrined in Sri Guru Granth Sahib is quite easily accessible to all. Thank you very much. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh.